What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Blackburn bike tool set. I actually haven't ridden my bike in a while, but I do need to make sure that when I start riding again, I want to have the right tools. Sorry about this, man. These packages are getting like really good tape now compared to me when I used to open them when there was just like small tape or not even double tape. But dang, this is getting really good. The tape is getting like better and affordable, or I don't know, maybe more expensive. I don't know. Everything's going up anyway. So yeah, all right. So when I think of Blackburn, I think of Joe Blackburn from Destiny, the director of Destiny 2. So I'm like, yeah, Blackburn products. So we got a whole box, and here is Here is the Blackburn bike frame toolkit with cage. So that's kind of cool. I really like this because I just hope that they give us the actual product. So it comes with the tool to number one is a tool which is a primary tool that everybody really, sorry guys, you couldn't see it. The number one's a tool which everybody needs to turn the cogwheel, to tighten the bolts in your handlebars. I recommend it. I needed something like this before instead of and the Allen wrenches right there, especially for the handlebars. That's where it kind of tends to get loose. Ooh, it even has an extra Allen wrench. Cool, nice. And then these are to hold your, whenever you need to change a flat tire or patch up your tire, these will hold together. For the longest time, I needed these really, really bad because I think I've been scraping my rims a lot, and this will help for better or for worse. And then we have this air pump right here. Oh, well, hello, Eddie. It says here, multi-tool sets 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, hex key, Phillips screwdriver, wrench, 8, 9, 10, 15 millimeters, Fortune GA spoke wrench. Never heard of that. 2 tire levers, and the mini pen with Presta valve adapter. Nice. Presta's, I think it's at the bottom. And 2 patch kit, which I use slime because they have the best stuff. And then we got the bottle cage, which you put on the bike itself, as you can see where the bike of the rim is. I actually have that. And here, and it's actually, yeah, it's on the go bike repair. So this is actually going to be helping a lot. And here are the items like in color, and it has 25 tools. So let's go ahead and get started. And I can't open this, so I guess I'll use a knife to open this right here, because I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, remember guys, push the knife away from you, not towards you. I actually cut my finger, and when I was younger, when I was opening up an Xbox, I literally cut my finger in half. And I probably mentioned it in a couple of videos. It's right here. I still have the scar right there. Yeah. Anyways, stop distracting myself. Okay, so we do have these 2 protectants. At least we got that. Let me get some scissors. That's why I got these slim scissors. So I always go with above the end. Cool. We'll get this one over here. I know that Walmart had their own brand. I was like, well, I mean, I read some reviews saying that some of the things broke. So I'm like, let's go with it saves you money. So nothing against Walmart. I love Walmart. They're always helpful and the employees are nice. Just remember, guys, it's best to respect everybody. And yeah, so basically every bike has a special tool. So the tool's already in here for you to fix it up. Otherwise, if the tool didn't come with it, then that sucks. So we have here, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I think, oh, duh, Eddie, we have to take it out. How do we remove this? Oh, so simple as that. Yo, this is sweet. I actually like this. So it is plastic, of course. Awesome. So let's go ahead and let's take this out. Blackburn product. I love the logo. It looks like a G though. So here we have is the 2 levers. So whenever you're doing your bike, you need 2. I've learned the hard way. You're gonna have fun taking the bike out. And I actually never used this before. It's pretty sweet. Is this how you use it? Because I don't know how to use it. Oh, dude, I guess it is. That's crazy. Yeah, I can see the air come out. I don't know what people will think of like when you're actually like, oh, okay, yeah, I see it. So yeah. Let's see. I hope this doesn't break over time. I have, at least this is kind of durable compared to my pump. Oh my god, like the lever for my bike pump, dude, you're gonna get like finger bruises. But this is pretty cool. I never seen a bike pump, so that's kind of cool. So I'll leave that in there. We got the bike levers. I'll put them back just so everything can look nice. And then we're gonna, here we go with the patches. So we're looking at rubber cement, which every bike uses. Nice, the Schwer valve, awesome. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and small patches. I don't know what these are actually. These look like loopholes. I've never seen that. I messed with this, but I do not know what that is. Guys, leave a comment below if you know what these are. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but yeah, so we got all this, or maybe it's for this. I have no idea. Oh, let me put everything back. I have a couple of these anyway. I'm actually looking into getting tubeless tires. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. Let me know. All right, now for this part. Oh, sweet. Awesome. Yeah, I like that. So this, I know for sure I'm going to use this for the rim. Let's see what it does. I know in the pictures you can't really see it. They just advertise it. Yeah, but this is just like the standard formation. There's a lot. So we have, all right, let's pull it out. A couple of Allen wrenches. Nice. And then we have the Phillips screwdriver. I know, right? It's crazy how they get all these names. I've actually never used this GRV8. I don't know. I never used this before. It might be for the small ones, but the Allen wrenches are going to be serving effective for when we install these right here. So it's good to have kind of multiple. These, I believe, the 10 millimeter and 9 millimeter. Oh, I guess we'll use them like that then, if these are kind of different. So this would actually help. So you could still use it a certain way. I know that these tools are blocking up everything, and yeah, you're probably gonna have to take them all out and then just use this as grip. So yeah, overall guys, yeah, this is the Blackburn frame toolkit with cage. So the cool thing is that, yeah, it doesn't seem like a lot, and I know it's for like $25 or so, but I mean, it's really great because like if you're riding and then your tire goes out, you have this ready, and then you have your pump, and then you have this to work on it. It would suck if it's at night because you're not going to be able to see as much, but find a daylight and then just start working on it rather than just like, you know, like calling up someone, but you can do like a self-repair kit, which this is really nice. I actually like this. And as I'm going to install it on my bike just in case. Say if you're riding with a friend, you're riding alone, at least you have the appropriate kit. Because, I mean, no one really wears a backpack when they bike ride. Unless you do, then, you know, for water and all that, then that's pretty good. But this is good for, like, long trails. So if you're in a trail and, say, you pop a tire, then this will really help. And that's why I'm going to have this, because I know it will help me if I'm ever in a trail or I'm with my buddies. At least this will be with me at all times. And I know that this will be trusty and worthful. And they give you a good amount of patches, so that's pretty good. And of course this, you just keep it like a water bottle. So it's either a water bottle or your toolkit. You're gonna have to sacrifice one of them. But once again, guys, like I said, this is Blackburn's bike frame toolkit. I think this is great for bike enthusiasts. Even if you don't ride bikes and you want to learn how to repair, this is a great start. It'll show you everything, and then the pump. I've never seen the pump. That's a pretty cool pump. I know it won't inflate as much as you want it to, but it's a good start to start learning how. So, all right, guys. If you own this, let me know in the comments to see if you like this. If anything's broken. Honestly, the plastic looks kind of like little material. You know, I don't want to say cheap, but like I'm gonna say like affordable material. As you can see, the mold here. That's what I'm really afraid of, but it looks pretty good. I mean, if it's hanging like this, yeah, I wouldn't trust it. But from this angle, it looks pretty good. Just, I don't think I'm not gonna over tighten it. I just don't want it to go left and right when it's writing. But other than that, it looks pretty good for not bad for $25. This is great. Thank you, Blackburn, for sending me this for reviewing the kit. And I saw it for $25 on Walmart. But Blackburn, oh yeah, huge shout out to Blackburn for sending me this to review. And other than that, I think we'll see you later. Once again, guys, let me know if you have any questions in regards to using this product, and give me feedback, or tell me what you don't like, or what do you do, or if any of the tools failed on you, if this broke off, etc. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.